Okay, so in this video or tutorial we are going to talk about how to search for buyers, okay, in other countries for your product. So let's say you are in shea butter business, so you just come to Google, search for countries with high demand for shea butter, countries with high demand for shea butter, okay, with high demand. So Google will be able to tell you which countries have the highest demand for, let's say, shea butter. Okay, so we have for palm oil, so any of them, so whichever products that you are dealing with. Okay, so you see import of shea butter, countries that really import shea butter. So these are the countries. The rank is number 1 for China. So China really wants shea butter. So if you're into shea butter business, you should be what? Targeting China, France, Germany, US, Netherlands. These are the top 5. Then, so you can click on this for more items. You see everything. Okay, exactly. So when you open it like this, you're able to see all this. Okay, this information. 1 billion people are in search of shea butter in China. The rank number 2 is France, 367.7 people. Germany, so you can see it by the millions of people in the ranks. And then you have the statistics. Okay, so whichever product you deal in, just by typing a simple search, which countries have the high demand for shea butter, you see you are getting all the information. Okay, now you can also add cities in China. Cities in China. So now you are going specific. Cities in China with high demand for shea butter. Cities in China. So now after, so you do that for each single country. Okay, so city in China with high demand. So you do that for all demand for shea butter. Okay, then it will also show you others. Okay, so Chinese shea butter buyers, those that buy shea butter. So buyer from China, so the person wants to buy shea butter, so you can click on it to inquire. Inquire means you find out every info about them. Their contact will be here. So it's telling you their city is from Shenzhen, Guangdong, China. Okay, so you can inquire. So when you start, so you can just send them a message. Most of these people have websites and then also online accounts. So I'll be coming to that. As an exporter, you need to have an online account. Okay, so that other people will see you across the world. So that will be towards maybe the middle to latter part. You'll be taught how to create a website. Okay. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works. Okay, so that's all for searching for buyers through Google search. Okay, so when you start with maybe this, you can also now go to, let's say, distributors of shea butter in China, and then you may also find contacts. And then there are so many cities and towns in China. We have Beijing, Guangzhou, Nanjing, Shanghai. So you can just take note of the city. There are 42 other cities. So Wuhan, all these cities. So you can get each of them and search for them. So you can now go with distributors, sellers. So let's say distributors of shea butters in Chongqing, distributors of shea butter in Beijing, distributors of shea butter in Shanghai. So you do it specific. And you can do sellers of shea butter in all these cities, stores of shea butter in all these. That's if you have the time. Why not? Okay, so if you don't want to pay anyone for getting you people to export to, and you want to find them yourself on Google has all the access. You can take China alone and you are getting over 42 cities. Then you go to France, which is number 2. You can also do distributors, sellers and stores of shea butter for each of the cities in each of the top 10 or top 12 countries of shea butter. So let's say if you sell clothes, or you make hair, you sell wigs, or you want to sell shampoo or shoes or any product that you want to do, you just have to key it in and search for what? Distributors, sellers, stores, using the same procedure that I have made. Thank you.